Athlete of the Week, brought to you by Texas Mattress Makers.
Our Athlete of the Week has quite a story to tell.
They always do. She surprised herself when she took up wrestling. You'll be impressed by what she's had to overcome.
Daniel Gotera explains.
Okay, got my 2-on-1.
It's hard to fully grasp a sport in just 3 years.
Into the body, pulling down.
The fact that Jasmine Hernandez is wrestling.
Heck no, I would not think you're telling me the truth.
Well, her results say otherwise.
One of the toughest workers we've had in the program ever since she came in.
The Cy-Fair senior has undergone a transformation. After first playing softball, she switched to wrestling.
Coach Stockton, he's like, hey, I need some more girls. I'm like, I'm not gonna wrestle, what the heck? And I started thinking about it, I'm like, well, what do I have to lose?
The before and after pictures are worth a look.
I used to think I was like, like fat, I was always insecure.
3 solid years of training, and she worked her way to a second place finish in her weight class at the state tournament earlier this month.
When I would always get like third in my other tournaments, I just always wanted to be better.
In this sport, you're going to get knocked down. And it's, are you going to get back up? Are you going to go push? And every time she did, she got knocked down, but she got back up.
And to think, she did all of that with a prosthetic left eye.
I used to always cover my face with my hair, and now it's like, I don't care. Like, I like me.
Jasmine was born without sight in that eye, and yes, she's become an amazing wrestler, but it's the way she now looks at herself that might be the biggest accomplishment of them all.
Yeah, I have a prosthetic eye, yeah. I don't really mind if people know now.
Jasmine is the perfect example of never giving up. Look at all the confidence she has. It's great to see. Congratulations for being our Athlete of the Week. Thanks to the folks at Texas Mattress Makers.
Thank you very much.
That Jasmine, she's a star, and if you have an athlete you'd like to nominate to be our Athlete of the Week, please send us an email at sports@khou.com. We'll be right back.